What's up you guys, and welcome back to another video. And in this week's video we're going to go and check out some condos here on Lake Chapala. So without further ado, before it gets too windy and the drone flies off, come with me guys. Guys, let me show you around this fantastic 14-unit condominium here on Lake Chapala. Here on my right-hand side, that's where you come down into the underground parking. Coming into this lovely foyer. Worth pointing out, in this private room here, there will be a little gymnasium. So this one is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. The views you're going to get of Lake Chapala, even from the first level, are really spectacular. Coming into the 2nd bedroom, which is facing north. So you get some really lovely views of the mountains. So let's take you up to the unit that is for sale on the 3rd floor. Come on in. Obviously, it's missing all the finishes, but it's a good time to get in because you can actually choose the finishes that you would like. You're only 2 floors up, but just check out how that view changes. Not to waste any more time here, let's take you up to the penthouse. Come on through. So we're on the 5th floor here. This is the 2nd penthouse, the other one was sold. What I love about this terrace here, but there is plenty of room to put a nice big table, a hot tub. You're gonna get incredible sunsets from here. This is going to be your master bedroom. This is the master bedroom from the other angle. This is going to be your 2nd bedroom. Please leave some comments down below. Let me know what you think. As for usual guys, I will leave all the information down below of all the other units for sale as well here. But I just wanted to give you an example of 3 of the units. 1 of them sold, 2 of them are for sale. So there we go guys, I hope you enjoyed the video today. It's been my pleasure. All the information will be down below of these fantastic condominiums. If you want to come and see it, send me an email. My email's down below. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification button and give it a thumbs up guys. And I'll see you all in the next video. Hasta luego amigos.